Hi, I think it is working. So I was recently in Chicago, aka the Windy City. And I wish I had the budget to have rented a giant fan that could blow on me right now. But alas, I have not. And I don't even have that much hair, so it probably wouldn't even be that great of an effect. And it might even damage the houseplants behind me. Hi, I'm trying to do my best Spock. I'm Willie, and I'm going to tell you all about my adventures in Chicago and the emotional underpinnings of my life and motivations. And I'm really glad you're here. So what did I do on this fantastic Midwestern adventure? Well, I'm going to tell you. I strengthened the bonds of friendship. I went plant shopping at some local gems as well as some delightful big box stores. I saw a magical outdoor concert. And I had all around summertime. Please don't let my deadpan delivery diminish how much of a truly joyful experience I had. I promise I'll loosen up. Most importantly, and more important than all that, how are you doing? How is your summertime bandwidth? Are you taking care of yourself? Are you drinking enough water? Because it's freaking hot outside and my air conditioner died last week and I have anxiety that it might be dying again. And on top of all that, I hope you're wearing sunscreen because I'm definitely wearing sunscreen. So let's dive into it and take a dip in the refreshing water of retail therapy that is plant shopping. Our first stop was Ted's Greenhouse. This place is a juggernaut of prestige houseplants, heritage succulents, and all around rare gems, a lot of which I have never seen in the wild. So it was a blast to take our time and let Calgon take us away as we walked through the indoor jungle where everything is for sale. These all look so nice. There's hidden chicks. Look at those cactuses. What is that? Alocasia and Oreo. Oh, the strawberry shake. That is really nice.
That's a good example of one.
Yeah, that's also a good example. Look at that billet tie. So okay,
That's a nice one.
These are really nice too. You should get one of those. This is a Burl Marks variegated. This one's a fantasy. 60. The really good rare ones. The variegated on the tetrasperma. Is this your Epipennata marbles? El Choco Red, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
That's really nice.
Yellow flame.
Is that the veggie guy? How beautiful that is. Those look like elbows, right? Or is that a tie?
It's an elbow.
These pink princesses are pretty nice.
This is a $500 variegated Oreo, just so you know. Just hang out.
Oh, okay. Let's take a picture. 500. Love that.
Godzilla.
That is one on my list. Can I get that home?
Green splash.
Oh, that is so nice. And what is this pink one too? That looks twisted and diseased and exactly like what I want. You know what I mean? Like we're getting into this. These, I just... Wow. That is so cool. Oh, these begonias, this in mass, this tray is incredible. Look how beautiful these are. Are these for sale? Yeah. Looks like it. 72.
Like it. There's no sign that says no.
I have to keep some order to where I'm going now, because I'll forget. Look at these Gloriosas for $20. They look so good. Do these are great examples. Are these the Shiverianas, I think?
Mm-hmm.
These silver swords, yeah. That's a very good example. Small alocasia fried egg. Saloms, $9. These are really pretty. Jungle boogies with kind of like the sawtooth. I see a lot of these around too this year. Philodendron squamiform. Oh, these begonias are so fun. The coveted sport variegation here in this regular monstera. I had to take a snap of that. So many monsteras. When you get that many, it just looks really awesome. A lot of alocasia. Look how pretty that is. Those are healthy too. Boy, that's a great example.
Wow.
How much?
70.
I have never seen one that nice out in the wild. Those look really good. Those look really good.
More cuties. My favorite plant.
That's an epic ZZ. Do you see that?
Oh, yeah.
ZZ corner. Full corner. Ferns. Lots of Sansevieria here. Oh. Nice looking whale fins. Oh, that's cool. Lots of Cebu blue here. Looks like more epiphynotoms. Wow, that is like the end-all be-all for saloms. The size of that leaf is incredible. Same with these big alocasias back here too. This is no different, it's gigantic. Oh, that Mikens is good in that basket.
There's a couple nice ones, too.
I'm tempted to buy one of those and bring it home and just abandon my kind of sad one. Just radically restart the timeline, you know? Oh, this is like, okay, that's a $39 Syndapsis, which would definitely not be able to keep alive. Tiny guys, what are all these? 24. Yeah, the global green was an emotional disappointment for me, unfortunately. Boy, that is just so cool. I've never seen one like that. Wow, there's like something for everybody. I always think these with the kind of like purple hue are so pretty. Mythic plant. I'm really calmed by big box shopping in the suburbs. It doesn't matter where I'm at. If you take me to a city and then you drive me out to a suburb and show me like a Home Depot, something's just gonna come over me and I'm gonna look at stuff. I'm gonna acquire things with a very liberal return policy so I don't have any buyer's remorse. And by the end of the experience, I'm gonna feel better. That allocation is really good. Ficus, Sansevieria here. Oh, these trio stars are everywhere now. Those were so rare last summer. Some monsteras down here. Ficuses. It's like a white wizard. I'm like so tempted to get one of those. I think they're so cool. These look amazing. These are huge. staghorn fern down there. Some really nice looking Hoyas here. Love seeing these villa ties out in the wild. Rubber trees. These are really nice. These little felted peperonias. And I'm very interested in this like Syngonium milk confetti looking thing that's called a Syngonium champagne rain. Gloriosums are so nice. Nice looking Birkins here, some Hoyas. And this is a Fatsia japonica. Oh, one of these might have to come home with me too. I've been looking for one of these for a long time. I can't beat that price. And we're on this side with the proven winners again. More trio stars, rattlesnake plants. Looks like shipwreck. Really nice looking pink princesses. Look at that variations. These are nice. Some pothos. Really pretty lush Syngoniums there. Oh, these are just alocasias of some kind. It says alocasia assorted. There's spici. This anthurium. How pretty that is. Ah, so huge. So we've got some different bacchi in there. More elephant ears. Oh my god, those are huge. Those alocasias are huge. Only $16.98. More of that kind of wide form Adansonii. Neon pothos. Marble green pothos. Rantus silverband Brazils. Adansonia. So much good Adansonia in the wild this year. Wow. This Home Depot was in Darien, and it had one of the most beautiful houseplant sections in greenhouses that I've ever been to. Holy grail find. So good. Gonna pick this up. Only $20. If you live in the Chicago metro area, I would highly recommend going and checking it out. We also checked out Sprout Home, which is one of my favorite places to visit. They always have such nice pottery, really healthy plants, lots of good supplies, and everyone is so friendly and so nice whenever we go here. I love this store. Look how pretty that cactus is. What about that?
Oh, wow.
There's the most beautiful pottery here, honestly. What to do with plants. It's so pretty. Monstera Esqueleto. These are really neat. It's like little tubes, like alien tubes. Nick, look, they have sweat plants. Those are like goldfish plants. Well, the outdoor section looks very lush, doesn't it? Yeah, these trees. It's a little creeping succulents and things. After shopping, we did need sustenance because we were quite exhausted. So we hit a conveyor belt sushi with a train. Here's that beautiful footage. The little rabbit. Wow, look at those. If I could find a way to get that for Nick, that would be the best bring home gift of all time.
Oh, yeah.
They look like batteries, but they have teeth. Animals with big teeth. just love Plush. He's so cute. I think if I died and could pick my specific version of heaven, it would just be a train of sushi. I could just eat as much as I want and never get a stomach ache. This place is awesome. Kathy got to spin the wheel. Got $20 off, and I can't wait to go back. We also hit another Home Depot that has an epic surprise, but I'm not gonna ruin it. We had a discovery, excitement ensued, and that's all I'm gonna say. Watch this part of the video. Super find that toured them for $20. We've found the coveted Thai constellation cart here. These are really nice. Yeah, these are the best. These are really, really good choices.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Chicago's like one of my favorite cities, honestly. There's always so much to do there. It always feels like a breath of fresh air. Maybe it's because it's by a lake. And no surprise, I really enjoy shopping. Since returning home, I just wanted to give a little update on this alocasia fry deck. I'm loving this. It's actually giving me a lot of stress and anxiety. There are a few leaves that are yellowing. I think this friend got a little stressed in transit on the train. It's holding in there. I've lost a few plants in the last few weeks, so having one that I'm really excited about is awesome. So pretty. I love how this plant already has the very defined veining. And I'm a sucker for the matte finish, you know? I'm a millennial. Dark, monochromatic, and matte, and I'm gonna buy it. I'm manifesting good energy for this plant. I had so much fun in Chicago. So many magical finds, but the best thing was getting to spend time with my friend Kathy. Take care of yourself. I cannot talk. Enjoy summer. Shield yourself from the harsh UV rays. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hang out more often, then hit that subscribe button. You're the best. I'll talk to you so soon. You won't even miss me. Okay? Bye. Whispers is very happy that I'm home. And I'm very happy that I'm home with Whispers. Sounds like a poem or my life.